Today we're getting tropical and adding to our jungle kitty corner with our new palm tree cat scratching post from Jetczo. It comes shipped to your door in a box that contains all your parts. It comes with a manual, the top half of your scratching post, the bottom half, a scratching ball with a spring, your base plate, as well as your hardware. Installation is super easy. Lift up the base to reveal the bottom. Then drive your screw and washer through the hole on the bottom. Take the bottom section of the scratching post and screw that onto the screw poking through the base. Next, screw in the scratching spring ball. Then take your extension screw and tighten that down on the top of the bottom scratching post. Then you can take your top section and rotate to tighten it together with the bottom half. Then take off the rubber band holding down your 3D simulated leaves and begin fluffing it like a cheap Christmas tree. After you get your leaves the way you want them, the scratcher is ready. I expected our cats to have fun with the scratching pole and the little toys, but what I didn't expect was this. Moments after I set it out, I learned that the kittens absolutely love climbing the palm tree and sitting on top of it. This had me cracking up. It's such a little perch, but they're on top of it and they still love it. Our cats also love the dangle toy and the spring ball. There's multiple things to do with this one toy, so several of our cats will play with it at once. One is playing with the toys, one sharpening her claws, and the other's perched on top observing. I just love toys that engage multiple fur babies at once, and this does just that. We put it next to our cat tower, and they use it for the extra climbing features. They just run, jump, and Velcro stick to it. The heavy base is really sturdy and keeps it from tipping over, and allows the kitties to spring off it to their next destination. And if that's not enough, the base features a plush fabric material that feels great for cats to nuzzle. We sprinkled some catnip on there, and I've been finding our cats just lounging on the comfortable base. Then when they feel wild, it's back to climbing or smacking balls. We're starting to get a little jungle theme going for the kitties, and I love the feeling that this palm tree scratching post brings. It looks fun and the cats just love it. Most of the time, instead of watching TV, we just sit and talk and watch the cats play. They're just so entertaining and are so happy playing with their new toys. So if you think your cat can use a little engagement and your house could use a little fake greenery, then this palm tree scratching post from Jetczo might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go watch the kitties go crazy on their new palm tree. See ya.
Ow.